Okay, so now we're going to finish up least common multiple by finding the least common multiple of a set of 3 numbers. So instead of just 2, now we have 3. We're going to do it the same way. 4, 8, and 10. Oh my, that's really huge. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so we have 4, 8, 10. So 4 is 2 and 2. 8 is 2 times 4, 2 and 2. So it's 2 and 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 5. Okay, so now let's write all these 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on, you can do it. We'll write it up here, 2 and 5. Doesn't want to write this low. Okay. The only difference here is you can see these 3 all have a 2. So those definitely cancel into 1, 2. These 2 2s, even though there's not one up here, 2 is good enough. So if 2 of those numbers share something, go ahead and cancel it out. This writing tool is not wanting to. Okay, and then times what's left, a 2 without a mate and a 5 without a mate. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Okay, here we have 3, 9, 18. 3 is already prime. 9 is 3 and 3. 3 and 6. 2 and 3. So now we have 3. 3 and 3. 2, 3 and 3. Okay. This 2 has nothing to cancel with anywhere, so that's obviously just going to stay. Now let's look at these right here. These 3s, those cancel into 1, so the 2 stays. It doesn't have anything to cancel with. And then remember, 2 is good enough. So even though there's not a third one, these 2 cancel. And we end up with 2 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Now the last one, 15, 25, 75. 3 times 5. 5 times 5. 75 is 3 times 25. Think of quarters. If you have 3 quarters, you have 75 cents. And then 5 times 5. So now let's write these out. 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5. Okay. Ultimately, we see these 3 5s right away. So those 3 5s are going to become 1 5. Here's a 3 and a 3. Remember, it doesn't have to be all 3. 2 is good enough. 5 and 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. Or I could say 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 5 is 75. So that's how we find it when we have 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, here are the last 3 of your independent practice. 9, 12, 15. Okay, how would you break up 9, 3, and 3, 3, and 4, 4 goes to 2 and 2, 15 is 3 and 5. So 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Okay. So here I see a 3, and a 3. So those threes, there's a 3 in each one, so that's going to become 1, 3. Does this 3 have another one here? Nope. Another one here? Nope. So he's got to stay. Does this 5 have anything to cancel out with? Nope. Now there's 2 2s, but they're in the same row. And in order to cancel out, it would have to have another 2 in this row or this row. So both of those 2s stay. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 times 2 is 90. And 90 times 2 is 180. 180. Wow, I'm glad we didn't list multiples all the way to 180. Okay, this one I'm going to skip a step because I know that if I factor 4, it's going to be 2 and 2. Now I can make the tree if I want to, but 7's already prime, so it's just 7. And 10's an easy one, it's just 2 and 5. So I just skipped making the trees and went right to listing them out. Now this 2 has a mate over here, this 2, so those are just going to become 1, 2. This 2, this one's already taken, so it doesn't have anything, so it's got to stay. 7 doesn't have anything to cancel with, and 5 doesn't have anything to cancel with. So 5 times 7 is 35. Times 2 is 70, times 2 is 140. Yes. And then this one again, I can factor these pretty easily. I know if I do a tree, 6 is going to be 2 and 3. 7's prime. And 9 will be 3 and 3. So I can make the trees, but these were just kind of easy to do. So this 3 and this 3 are going to turn into just a 3. This 3 can't match up with this one. It's already taken, so it's got to stay. 2 doesn't have anything to cancel with, and 7 doesn't have anything to cancel with. So 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 3, let's do it this way. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Times 7. Whoops, 8 times 7 is 56. Put down the 6. Stop trying to cut corners, Miss Leslie here. Just. So 56, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 126. So that's it. We've gone through all of those independent practice problems. You do not have to finish page 580. That is not required. You will be doing for your homework, which will be due on Thursday. We will be doing pages 581 and 582. So this is being posted on Tuesday. Since we were off for Monday for Easter, this is being posted on Tuesday and it will be due on Thursday. I'll post another one Thursday that will be due on Friday. If you want to get a jump on that, check out previous assignments to see if it's already been posted. Let me know if you have any problems. Thanks and have a great day.